On this episode of Offroading with the Rust Belt Boys, in front of me here is our 1969 to 1972 Chevrolet Blazer GME body, ready for paint here. The body work has been professionally done by Rust Belt Offroad. Check out the gaps, check out the lines, ready for paint. We can't wait to get this painted and show you the end result. Let's go over it, look at it. It looks very awesome here at Rust Belt Offroad. Right here at Rust Belt Offroad, this is a Bronco hardtop here, two-tone, pure white and boxwood green here. Look at the professional finish here. Painted by yours truly. I had to come out of retirement here because I can't find nobody to paint anymore. So I painted it, check it out, looks really good at Rust Belt Offroad. Now at Rust Belt Offroad here, this is the boxwood green Bronco here. We showed you the paint booth for the top. If you look here, it's gonna be very cool here. You got the pure white roll cage, the boxwood green, the white top. It's gonna go really well together. Bedline floor there that matches the boxwood green paint, and bed line underneath for the sound deadener protection here. One of the services we offer at Rust Belt Offroad is the full bed lining, so give us a call for that too. We do very well with that at Rust Belt Offroad. Now at Rust Belt Offroad here, this is our bread and butter, the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco tubs. We build over 200 of these a year at Rust Belt Offroad. We also have the Blazer project. We've built over 30 Blazers here since the start of the year, and very expanding on line pretty soon. Plus the truck cabs are coming and the square body pickup trucks are coming too. We bought our sample here to replicate the fixtures off of, so we have the square body truck, and we can't wait to get that going here too at Rust Belt Offroad. Right here behind me is one of the samples we bought your square body truck. This is a 77 truck. Has a 73 to 81, have different frame mounts on them. So this is the first prototype here. We're going to base everything on, use the measurements of this to build fixtures, and we can't wait to get this in production here very shortly at Rust Belt Offroad. As I sit in this mess here, this is the Rust Belt Offroad mechanical assembly area that we're completely redoing and gutting out here. We made tremendous improvements here. We've taken out the mezzanine. We're making a tool loft up there just to increase productivity here at Rust Belt Offroad. We're putting 3 new lifts in here, and whole revamp. Looks cool. Check it out, and we'll show you more here as we get this project done here. For your winter project, or give us a call at Rust Belt Offroad. We have full openings for full builds on classic trucks, classic Broncos, classic Blazers. 330-533-4757, rustbeltoffroad.com.